In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text along a path in DaVinci Resolve. To get started, open your project and head down to the Fusion tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll create and customize the text animation. Once you're in Fusion, look along the toolbar and click the text icon to insert a text element. This gives you a text node that you can work with directly inside your composition. After adding the text element, type your desired words into the text box. At this stage, don't worry too much about the animation yet. Just focus on getting the text entered so you can shape how it will follow the path. It's often helpful to use short text first while learning, since it's easier to see how the path affects the layout. Next, go to the Layout tab in the text controls. This is the key area for making the text follow a custom line. In the layout settings, change the type option to Path. As soon as you switch to Path, DaVinci Resolve lets you draw the route that your text will follow. Now you can begin placing points to create that path. Simply click to add points one by one. If you just click each point, the text will follow straight lines from one point to the next. This is great for sharp, clean angles or more geometric motion. If you want the path to feel smoother or more organic, hold and drag when placing a point. Dragging changes the direction and curvature, allowing you to create flowing curves instead of hard corners. Take your time with this part, because the shape of the path has a big impact on the final look of the animation. Small adjustments can make the text feel much more polished and intentional. If the path doesn't look quite right at first, that's completely normal. You can also use the tool above the viewer to refine or polish the path. This helps you adjust the curve more precisely and smooth out the shape so the text follows it more naturally. It's especially useful if you want cleaner arcs or a more professional-looking bend in the line. Once your path looks the way you want, your text is set to follow it. That's all there is to it. By using the text tool, switching the layout type to path, and drawing your custom line, you can create stylish text designs that curve exactly where you want them to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.